two individuals, Moses Wetangula and Musalia Mudavadi, have been running up and down in Western Kenya, across Western Kenya, purporting to be talking about Luhya community. We condemn the move because it is personal, selfish, and dishonest. Wetangula and Musalia should be the last people to talk about Luhya unity. They have been in the government, very powerful ministers in the government, the previous governments, and they failed to unite the Luhya community. How will they do it now if they failed at that time? Wetangula has failed he has failed to manage 28 NASA senators. How is he going to lead millions of Luhyas in Western Kenya? We cannot talk about Luhya unity after elections. We are already in the government. 9 MPs from Bungoma County, from Western Kenya, we are already in government. And at least this is the government that we fought for. And we cannot jump out of the government and now join something which we don't know.
It is only after they were left, when they were abandoned. And out of frustration now, they are now trying to run to tribal cocoons, which we condemn very strongly. Because Western region is not entirely Luhya. We have other communities like Sabot and Teso. We have Baturas. We have the Tachonis. So talking from a tribal perspective is an indication of somebody who is drowning. So Wetangula and Mudavadi should drown on their own. They should not pull the community that is already in government.